Imagine a world where the smallest fraction of a second can make a difference worth millions of dollars. Welcome to the stock market, where over 42 million Americans, that's roughly 13% of the population, have their fortunes tied. The stock market's roots date back to ancient Rome, where the first shares and bonds were sold on stone tablets. Fast forward to the 12th century, the Venetians were the first to trade securities from other governments. They created a system where people could invest in the debt of cities in exchange for a promise of a return on investment. Then in the 17th century, we witnessed the birth of the world's first official stock exchange in Amsterdam. The Dutch East India Company, needing capital to fund its voyages, issued shares that could be bought and sold. This marked a pivotal moment in the history of global commerce. Across the Atlantic in the late 18th century, 24 New York City stockbrokers and merchants signed an agreement known as the Buttonwood Agreement, leading to the creation of the New York Stock Exchange, or NYSE. This was a game changer. The 19th century saw the advent of telegraphy, which allowed for real-time updates of market prices and volumes. This technological advancement revolutionized trading, making it more efficient and transparent. In the 20th century, the stock market experienced its darkest day, the Great Crash of 1929, leading to the Great Depression. This prompted the establishment of the Securities and Exchange Commission in 1934, a regulatory body to protect investors and maintain fair, orderly, and efficient markets. Fast forward to the turn of the 21st century, the rise of the internet and digital technology transformed the stock market completely. Online trading platforms emerged, making the stock market more accessible to the average person than ever before. So what have we learned today? We delved into the roots of the stock market, starting from the ancient Romans to the Venetians in the 12th century. We saw the establishment of the world's first official stock exchange in 17th century Amsterdam. We crossed the Atlantic to the creation of the NYSE in the late 18th century and witnessed the revolutionary impact of telegraphy in the 19th century. We looked at the dark days of the Great Crash in the 20th century and the subsequent establishment of the Securities and Exchange Commission. Finally, we discussed the transformative power of the internet and digital technology on the stock market in the 21st century. The stock market, a complex yet fascinating world, continues to evolve, promising new opportunities and challenges. It's a testament to the dynamism of our global economy, where fortunes can be made or lost in the blink of an eye. The story of the stock market is, in many ways, the story of modern capitalism itself. It's a story of risk and reward, of innovation and regulation, and of the endless pursuit of wealth and prosperity.